Hello everyone, welcome to our data visualization series. In today's tutorial, we will be exploring catplots using Seaborn. Catplot provides access to several other functions, or we can say several other access level functions like point plot, bar plot, strip plot, swarm plot, box, violin, count, or boxin, which means that we can draw these kind of plots with the help of the catplot. And the most common thing about these plots are that they show the relationship between a numerical and one or more categorical variables. Now, without wasting any time, we are going to see that how we are going to draw the different plots using the cat plot. So let's start with count plot. So I'm going to use the code. Uh, so in when we talk about this cat plot function in Seaborn, the one of the most important parameter is the kind parameter. This kind parameter tells us that what you are going to which kind of graph you are going to draw. For example, if I put kind is equal to count, so it's going to give me a count plot. Let me run this code. We can see that it's created a count plot using the cat plot function. Similar way, we can also draw a violin plot, but here in the kind parameter, we are supposed to put kind is equal to violin. So it's going to create a violin plot, showing the relationship between the categorical and the numerical column. Similar way, if you want to draw a bar plot using this, we can just use inside this kind parameter, we are going to use this bar, and it's going to create a bar plot using the cat plot function. We can also create a strip plot. Now, when we try to draw a strip plot, the trick here is that we don't specify any kind parameter, which means by default, the kind value is strip. Now we can see that strip plot is created. Now for creating the swarm plot, we are going to do the same thing. Same code will be there, but in the kind, it will be swarm. So this way, we can create a different kinds of plot. We can also create the last one, which is the box plots, and we can create a box plot using this. Now, this was about the cat plot. Now we saw that how we have created a different plots using the cat plot. So feel free to experiment with different styles, colors, and additional parameters like hue or call to incorporate additional categorical variables or create separate plots depending upon your requirements or different subsets of your data. Uh, and I hope that you found this tutorial helpful. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting data science tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you later in the next video.